So now we have this seemingly complex polynomial that needs to be factored. So always begin with the numbers. We have 35, 70, and 91. If you know your tables, that number is going to be 7. So that's why we extracted the 7. And then you look at each letter individually, and you always choose the one that has the lowest power. So this has p to the 4, this has p to the 3, and this has p to the 3. So p to the 3 is going to be the lowest power. Focus on the q's. Q's to the third. Sorry, q to the power of 3, q to the second power, or the power of 2, and q to the power of 4. Q to the power of 2 would be the lowest. And then we look at r to the 4, r to the 2, and r to the 3, so r to the 2 is going to be the lowest. Notice now our HCF has to go under each one, and then you take your time and you eliminate until you have nothing left to eliminate. 7 into 35 is 5. We have 4 p's on the top, 3 on the bottom. 3 of them will knock out 3 on the top, leaving just 1 p. Notice I don't put the 1, it just shows p by itself. We have 3 q's on the top with 2 q's on the bottom, so one of these will be left over. And then we have 2 r's and 4 r's, but I didn't put the r in, so that's my mistake. That's going to be r to the power of 2, because if we have 4 on the top and 2 on the bottom, 2 will be eliminated. When we get to the middle term, notice, and please keep the sign as it is, we keep the sign as is. The only reason would be is if you are factoring out a negative and everything on the inside will change. Notice that the numbers, the letters that is, all seem to match. So this r squared will eliminate the r squared, the q squared will eliminate the q squared, and the p cubed will eliminate the p cubed. So only thing left is 70 divided by 7, which is 10. That's going to be nice and tidy there. 7 goes into 91 13 times by my count. You have a calculator, you can verify if that's correct. P cubed will eliminate p cubed. We have 4 q's at the top and 2 on the bottom, so 2 would be eliminated. So this power shouldn't be a 4, that should be a 2. And then we have 3 r's at the top, and 2 of the r's would be eliminated, just leaving the 1 r. And that is that. There's nothing else that we can do with this except color it.